Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans with TV. We're at the Alta Bar. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Rep Santa.
Oh, Stibo.
Pagania.
Stibo.
Pagania.
Stibo.
Pagania.
Ngibizeka ngak Stib.
Twice.
Three times. Ngilose ngibonile today.
Oh, 3 goals.
3 goals.
Yeah.
Me, I'm happy.
Yes.
Ne, for them to break the curse.
Yeah.
When last did we enjoy watching Kaizer Chiefs play?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
It's been a very
this
long
season.
time. Yeah.
This season.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
Is the only match I
enjoy.
Myself.
Yeah.
I enjoy. Like the players. They were having badlalile bafana.
Big time. Big time.
Badlalile bafana. I really enjoyed the game.
Yes.
But at the beginning, Beileka man.
Begleka.
Beileka Chiefs man. Namangas.
Yeah. But
Beileka. But let's give credit to the coach. Coach ubonile ukuthi okay, siyaleka going forward and we like playing the ball. Wa introduce abantu abonjengabo Da Silva yabo, those quality players ngiba abakhonile ukuthi badlalise labafana. Yabo angayibukeli yonke but mina from where I watched it yabo. From the subs. Yabona the subs have won him the game. True. Yabo, which is the thing that you need as a team. Yabo, your subs should be quality. You remove something that's broken and you put something that should fix and it should work for you. Yabo, and it worked here. You see the player Utuba, quality player. For me, today is my man of the match. His goal plus yabona that analyzing. Ubona ukuthi ushabalala is on your back. Yeah, you just jump the ball, give him the. If it was another player, was the first look shoot, and there was Umbamba. That was a tight space. But Ubona goes no, Shabalala has more chances for him to score. Then you have to just jump. Thank you.
Stibo, uJesu wafela izono zePirates. uJesu. Angithi uCool Friday. So wafela izono zePirates uJesu. What Maeva washiya iPirate. Ububona ihlupheka kanje iPirate. Ile icala kaSenzo Mayiwa ngamele abangaliqedi. Abaqedi icala kaSenzo Mayiwa labantu labo. Ngeke bayithola iligi bangaqedeli icala. Ngeke bayithola.
Thank you, Matondo.